Today we are going to be making cranberry pie or apple cranberry pie. And for that we'll need the following ingredients. We'll need a cup of water, a cup of semolina, a cup of flour, a cup of your cranberries, a cup of your sugar. I'm using just the white sugar, and I added a little touch of brown sugar to fill up to 1 cup. We're gonna use a pinch of salt, an apple, a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a cup of oil, fragrance-free oil. First, we wanna soften our cranberries. For that, bring some water to boil. And cover your cranberries. Let them stay for about 10 minutes or so. We'll start from pre-soaking our semolina. It needs about 2 hours to pre-soak in order to be ready for the baking condition. Add your cup of semolina, your cup of sugar, and your cup of water. Mix them. Again, let the mixture stay for about 2 hours. So it's been about 2 hours, maybe a little more, and this is how our batter looks. You see it got thicker. Now we're going to continue. We'll add our oil inside. And we are going to prepare our dry ingredients. Take your cup of flour, add your 1 teaspoon of baking soda, add a pinch of salt, mix those. We are going to peel our apple and shred it. Here we go. We are going to grate this inside our batter. Drain your cranberries. And we are going to add them inside our pie batter. Preheat your oven to 390 degrees. We are going to bake it for about 25 to 30 minutes. Mix your ingredients and add your dry ingredients in as well. Look how beautiful it looks. And let's start adding our dry ingredients. So this is how your batter looks. This is the consistency. Okay, and now we are going to prepare our pan where we are going to bake it. Okay, I don't have a single cake pan, so I'm using 2 loaf pans. And let's try and split the batter in 2 for me. You can just pour everything in one pan. Okay. Put it in your oven and bake. So our cake is done. Look how nicely it looks. Here you go. Okay guys, and here we go. Look, I cut a piece of our cake or pie or whatever you call it, cake probably. Look, it's so tender and so spongy. Let's give it a taste test. It's really good. It's not too sweet. It has tanginess of the cranberries. Tastes really nice. Enjoy it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to click the bell icon beside the subscribe button to be notified about all new videos or live stream.